Welcome students. We have learned a beautiful poem. The trees are the kindest things I know. Okay, now we are going to do English workshop activity. So open your English textbook and page number 14. Now look at the first activity. Pick from the poem words that rhyme with the following words. Rhyming words. Okay, one word is given and you are going to find out rhyming words with that word in the poem. Okay, so what is the word given? Fun. Now find out the rhyming words. Now where do we find rhyming words? At the end of the line. Okay, so find out the rhyming words. Fun, then no, then now, sight and fly. Pause the video and find out the rhyming word and write down here two rhyming words. Okay, the first word is fun and the rhyming word for the fun is beacon and sun. Now the second word is no. The rhyming word for no is know and grow. Okay, now the third word is now. So now rhyming word is cow and bow. Okay, then next word is sight. So sight, here is the word light and night. And the last word is fly. Fly means sky and lullaby. These are the rhyming words. Okay, now look at the next activity. Pick from the poem lines that create a picture in your mind. Okay, means for example when I say elephant, so elephant pictures comes in your mind. When I say an apple, so apple's picture comes in your mind. Okay, just like that, one line is given from the poem. So what is the line? Look into the activity. The line is that, and in the spring new birds of green. So spring, when you read the spring word, so spring means what? Colorful flowers, beautiful flowers. The picture of flowers and birds comes in your mind, right? So just like that, in this poem, which lines, when you read lines, so which lines create a picture in your mind? So pause the video and find out those lines. So in my opinion, there are many lines which creates pictures in my mind. For example, when I read this line, and spread a shade for sleepy cows, so at that time sleepy cows comes in my mind. Now second line also, when I read this line, and gathered birds among their boughs, so I the picture create of the birds, they are building their nest among the boughs. Okay, next line also, they give us fruits, so at a time mangoes and other fruits, these pictures, fruits pictures comes in my mind. Then next line also, the and wood to make our house of, so this line make create picture of houses made by wooden. Okay, so Halloween, so I know this festival Halloween, so this Halloween word create picture in my mind. Next word is that, you know that. And then next, even full stanza, this full stanza, they are the first when days begun to touch the beams of morning sun, so the whole picture comes in front of my eyes. And then next stanza also, they are the last to hold the light when evening change into nights, so sunset scene. Okay, so that scene creates in my mind. Even the next stanza also, when a moon floats on the sky, they hum a drowsy lullaby. So the moons, the floating moons, okay, so that scene comes in my mind. And even last stanza also, oh sleepy children long ago, long ago, this line also create mind. Children's, sleepy children's, that picture comes in my mind. Okay, so you can write any line, right? Now look at the activity number 3. the poet refers to tree as the kindest things, right? From the poem, pick out the 5 facts that prove the kindness of tree towards others. So the title of the poem is The Trees Are the Kindest Things. So poet refer trees kindest thing, kind, the kindest. Okay. So now in this activity we are going to find out the facts. Fact means goshti, which prove the kindness. Okay. So now again look. So there are many sentences which prove that trees are the kind. For look at this sentence. In this sentence you see that trees spread a shade for sleepy cows. Okay, so trees gives shade. Then in this line also, trees gives a place to bird among their boughs to build their nest. In this line also, tree gives us fruits and leaves. In this line also, tree gives us wood. Trees give us wood to make our houses. In the next line also, the leaves, trees give leaves to burn on Halloween. Okay, so there are many lines shows that trees are the kindest thing. Now in the activity number 4, find words that describe the following. Okay, some words are given and you are told to find out the word which describe these things. For example, cows, new birds, sun, lullaby, trees. Okay, so you are going to find out this word first and then automatically you will find out the describing word. Okay, so pause the video and find out the describing words. Okay, now the first word, where is the first word? Cows. Look, here is the cow word. Okay, now the describing word is sleepy. Sleepy cows. The next word is new birds. So where is the new birds? So here is the new birds. And which is the describing word? New birds. How are the new birds? Green. Green new birds. Next, third word is sun. Sun is here the sun. And describing word is morning sun. Okay. Fourth word is lullaby. Lullaby. This is the lullaby. And which is the describing word? Drowsy lullaby. And the last word is trees. Trees. And how are the trees? Kindest trees. Okay. So in this way, sleepy, green, morning, drowsy, and kindest. These are the describing word. Okay. Now the last activity, 5 number activity. Pick out lines that mean the following. Okay. Means here are 5 sentences and these are the meanings. Okay. And you are going to find out the line or sentence in the poem which is the similar to that line. Okay. So let's find out the meaning, the line which meanings are given here. Okay. So the first line is tree provide shelter for animal. Second line is trees provide food for all. Third line is trees are most lovable. Fourth, kids love to listen to song from trees. And fifth, trees live a simple life. Okay, these are the meanings. Okay, you find out the similar line in the poem. Okay, pause the video and find out the line. You can observe some words. For example, animal, food, love, lovable, then song, listen to song, or simple life. These words are the key word. Okay, and find out the similar line in the poem. Pause the video. First line is trees provide shelter for animal. So this line, which line? This third line shows that trees provide shelter for animal and spread a shade for sleepy cows. Second line, trees provide food for all. Now food means fruit. Okay, so this line shows that they give us fruit in leaves above. So this line shows that trees provide food for all. And third line, trees are most lovable. Okay, so trees are most lovable means what? This is the lovable means kind. So the first line shows that trees are most lovable. trees are the kindest things I know. Okay, now fourth line is kids love to listen to song from trees. Now kids song, where is that line? Now here we can say that they hum a drowsy lullaby of sleepy children long ago. These two lines shows that kids love to listen to song from trees. And the fifth line is trees live a simple life. So simple life here. Second line, they do not harm, they simply grow. This line shows that trees live a simple life. Okay. Now the 5 activities are completed. So you write this activity on your English textbook or in your English notebook.